발표 시간인데요. 콜마 B&H 이지영 대표님께서 나오셔서
product creator and also Colma B&H manager as well.
이상미 큐레이터님을 박수로 환영해 주시기
curator.
바랍니다.
Please give her a big round of applause.
여러분 안녕하세요.
Hello, my name is Lee Sang-mi,
전문 큐레이터
Atomi's curator.
언제나 설레임과
And I'm very excited to be here, very thankful to be here. And
여러분들이 곧 만나보시게 될
this speech is called Message, and I have 3 new
products.
products.
먼저
Very excited. First,
green
Green
propolis
propolis.
면역기가 되겠습니다.
Immune gummy. This is not the regular gummy. This is actually immune gummy. And I look at the article. I was reading an article yesterday about the immune system, and even the snack category has been launching based on the immune system because of the COVID, and we still are going through the COVID situation. And a lot of people are very curious and have interest in immune system. And also, the gummy, if you take it, and this is all care. Green propolis immune gummy. And first, I want to talk about the picture. You can see the picture. The form of this product is gummy. And especially for propolis product, there are a lot of these spray products. And this one is very good to eat and easy to take. It's very small. So all your family members can take it anytime. And you can see the main ingredients. propolis.
어디에 좋은지 여러분들 너무나 잘 알고 계시죠.
And
이 프로폴리스가 구강 내에서
what is propolis for? And it's inside of the oral cavity.
정상적인 면역 기능 그리고
The propolis is good for your oral
이 아연까지
cavity.
더해지면서 이중 기능성 제품이라서
Also, there is
여러분들이
one
아주
more
손쉽게
function.
그리고 맛있게 건강 관리 하시기가 참
That's for your
되겠습니다.
immune system as well.
또한
And
특징이라고 할 수
also
있는데요. 바로
a feature
프로폴리스를 집중해 주셔야 될
of
것 같아요.
propolis.
원산지가
The country of
브라질산이고요.
origin is
일반
Brazil,
프로폴리스가 아니라
and this is
그린
made in
프로폴리스를
Brazil.
사용했습니다.
This is not
여러분,
regular
프로폴리스
propolis.
하면
This is the
노란색을
green
많이 떠올리실
propolis.
텐데요.
When you think about
노란색이
propolis, what
아닌
color
특유의
that comes up to your
녹색을
mind?
띠고 있습니다.
It's yellow,
왜 그럴까요?
but this one is green.
바로
Why is that?
브라질의 고산지대에
And
바카리스라는
it's from
식물이 있는데
Brazil,
야생
and there's a
물건이
plant
이
called
씨를 이용해서 만든
Pacaris,
게 바로
and we
그린
have the
프로폴리스입니다.
extraction from this plant. That's why it is
험난한
green.
자연 환경이 야생벌의 고품질의 방어 물질 생성에 영향을 주게
And
되는데요.
as I
우리는
mentioned
이런
before, this is
환경에서 만들어진
extraction
그린
of
프로폴리스를
plant.
채택을 했고 이
Pacaris,
또한도
the
브라질
color
국가에서
is green.
아주 엄격한
And
품질 관리 하에 생산하는
we all care about
아주 우수한
absolute
품질의 그린
quality.
프로폴리스만 사용을 했기 때문에
And once again, this is green
여러분들이
propolis.
믿고
Maybe some of you have
지켜주셔야
never seen
됩니다.
this,
이쯤 되면
and I'm very
좀
excited for
맛은
that.
어떤데?
And some people
궁금하시죠?
ask me, what about the
입안에서
taste?
은은하게 퍼지는 사과였습니다.
And it tastes like
설탕,
just an
물엿
apple.
일체
There's
사용하지
no sugar,
않아서 부원료로 건강하게 드시라고
and the
프랑크
raw
오일보다
material
사과가 농축액을
is
사용을
the
해서
extraction of
입안에서
apple.
상큼하게 맛있게
And when you
즐기실
take
수
it,
있는
it's
건강
fresh
분비가
and it's
되겠습니다.
very good.
그리고 멘톨이 함유가 되어 있기 때문에요.
It has
입에 하나
the
탁
menthol,
넣으셔서
and when you
씹는
take
순간
it,
상쾌한
as soon as you
느낌이
chew,
퍼지는 것도 참 좋으실 거고
and it tastes
사이즈가
just like
미니
an
사이즈이기
apple,
때문에 언제
and
어디서나
the size
간편하게
is very small
소비하시면서
and is
드실 수
easy to
있습니다.
carry
참고로 한
and easy to
박스에
take.
총 12팩이고요.
And one box
한
has
팩당
12
10알씩 들어가
packs,
있습니다.
and one pack
각각
has
소포장되어
10
있으니까
tablets.
여러분들 편히 소지하시면서 맛있게
And
케어해
it's
주시면
easy to
되겠습니다.
carry.
자, 가격
It
같은
is snack,
경우에는
but at the same time, it's very healthy for
26,500원에
you.
출시가 될
And
예정입니다.
this is
자,
under
이렇게 해서 오늘 소개해드린
$30.
애터미 그린
And point
프로폴리스
value is
면역구로
11.
온 가족 구강 건강에서부터 정상적인 면역 기능을 한 번에
You can see
모두
the
다
point value as well.
보시기 바랍니다. 자, 이렇게 해서 첫 번째
And
상품을 살짝
that was the
짚어봤습니다.
Atomy
자,
Green
두
Propolis
번째로 공개해드릴
Immune
제품은
Gummy.
바로
Second product,
애터미
Atomy
오리지널 뷰티
Orange
워터 젤리가
Beauty
되겠습니다.
Water Jelly.
요즘
And this is
날씨가
also the second
너무나
product
덥죠.
in
땀도 흘리고
the
체력도
snack
떨어지고
category.
또 아마 입맛도
A lot of
많이
people
없어지셨을 거예요.
are losing
이럴 때
their appetite
상큼한 과일 드시면서
because of the
힘내시면
weather,
너무나 좋으실
and a
텐데
lot of people are
사실
sweating
딱 생각해 보세요.
in their
우리가
workplace or even
과일을
in their
매일매일
home.
챙겨 먹는다는 건
And as you know,
생각보다 쉽지
it's
않습니다.
very
자,
difficult
그래서
and it's very tough
아주
for us
간편하게 그리고
to
건강하게
eat fruit every day,
맛있게 과일을 챙겨 드실 수
vegetables
있는
every day.
방법
And
지금부터
we
알려드리도록
came up with
하겠습니다.
this great idea
세 가지 종류의 신선한 과일을
that our
제품에
consumers can
그대로
take
담았고요.
our snack,
여기에
but at the same time,
꼼꼼히 따져서 만든
is very healthy
건강
for us.
지향 음료 애터미
And this is
오리지널
for
뷰티 워터 젤리가
our
되겠습니다.
Orat Factory. As you know,
이
we
제품은 제가
make
먹어보면서 느낀 건
absolute
너무너무
products with
특장점이
absolute
많아서
quality.
정말 맛있어요.
And this is we
일단
call
매일
Atomy
챙겨 먹기
Orat
힘들었던
Beauty
과일들을
Water Jelly.
부드러운 워터 젤리 형태로 해서 한 포에 모두 다
And this is
담아내는
water
제품인데요.
jelly.
이
And
안에
when you
과일
think about the
함량을
juice, when you think
여러분들이
about the
드시면서
jelly,
꼭
this is the
확인해
combination
저도
of the
시판에
juice
나와 있는
and
워터
jelly
젤리를
as
많이
well.
먹어봤지만
And I have tried many types of, many forms of jelly, even water jelly as well. And if you see the ingredients and the volume and the content of fruits, it has a lot of volume. And we put a lot of the real fruit extraction juice. And when you try for this for the first time, you can see the taste of water jelly and seems having fruits as well. And excluding fruits taste, and we have the nutrient inner beauty, carotenia, and fish collagen, and vitamin C. In addition to that, we have a special patent, the lactic acid patent, and we put zero sugar, as you know, procto oligo, and other types of healthy ingredients. This is very great for us and healthy for us. This is fruit dessert that we came out for all the consumers. Once again, this is easy to carry. It's transparent pouch. It doesn't matter where you are. It's easy to carry and easy to take. And once again, transparent pouch. You can see what's inside because it's transparent, see-through. Some of the tips I want to give you, of course, you can put in the fridge and you can take out from the fridge. And you can put in the freezer and you can eat it just like the ice cream. And great dessert. And there are 3 flavors right here: red, pomegranate, and aloe, and passion fruit. There are 3 categories, 3 flavors of that. First, and when you think about the grapefruits, and there are a lot of the dietary fiber and low calories and outstanding diet fruits. And also, there is the special ingredient that kills the cells that have fat. And that is the main ingredient and sub-material. And this reduces the body fat. We call carotenia and also polyphenol extraction as well. And this is good for losing weight and body fat as well. And this is the fruit dessert. Second, aloe. And as you know, and also, this is the main ingredient. And we have aloe vera gel a lot. Have you tried? And we were giving out free the aloe products today. Raise your hand if you tried. Some of you have tried. And this is for your skin layer. And also collagen is very good for your skin, as a lot of people know that. And also, this is great fruit dessert. And also, passion fruit flavor. 네, 맞아요. 석류 많이들 떠오르시죠.
pomegranate
바로 이 패션 후르츠에는요.
is the great flavor that a lot of people like. And passion fruit has estrogen and liads ingredients, and is good for getting rid of the fatigue and being tired. And also has the other fruits as well, and it contains the high content of vitamin C.
우리 제품의 패션 후르츠 맛에는요.
And also in our passion fruits, and we put a lot of the main ingredients. For example, we put mango and vitamin C for sub-material, and that's our passion fruits category. Let's check out the price. And one box has 10 things, and we sell about $15. We have 5,000 point value. That is our fruit dessert. And this is snack, but also for inner beauty as well. Thank you. And that was our second product. And third product, our last one. And this product is very special. It's dyeing your green hair. This is what we call Atomy Salon and Color. A lot of people are staying home, so a lot of people are dyeing their own hair. And what kind of products are you using? And what kind of products are you using? And for dyeing your hair. And now we have a special product. And because of COVID, a lot of people are doing the self-dyeing hair in their color as well. For example, gray hair to black, or even other colors as well. And we have a special product, and there are 6 different colors. Black, dark brown, brown has the gray color dyeing category. The second category is the combination category, coral brown, gold brown, and rose brown. And you can choose any colors. So once again, in total, there are 6 different colors in salon and color products. And this is the new and the first, global first. And cream merits and the extraction merits. And we have the protein gel type. And when we do the self-dyeing color, it is very difficult to apply. And now we have the gel type, and the formation is easy to apply because it has a gel type. And we have the applicator, and the same process as combing your hair, the protein gel type. Nothing will be dropped, and we have the patent material. It's very easy to see it, and has the balanced glowing as well. And when you do the self-dyeing your hair, it's very difficult. And also, there's one feature I want to talk about is that it doesn't matter how much the hair dyeing products we put or apply to our color. But the hours to maintain the hours are very, very long. And first, I want to talk about this term OMC. And that's why the color stays for a long time. To make a long story short, our ultraviolet light, when we have or get the ultraviolet light, that's why hair color changes. But we put that technology into this product. That's why it stays for a long time. And also, we put the special acid into this product. And I want to talk about the cuticle layer when we open that, and that's why we put the color. That's why dyeing your hair. And after the dyeing your hair, what kind of shampoo is being used? That's why it's very important. And in general, some of the regular shampoos is that the alk acid, and when we purify into cuticle, and that's why it takes out all the dyeing hair color. And the shampoo that we made is that has the pH balance, and after washing, and it closes the cuticle layer, and it's very good for the maintaining. And first shampoo is from Atomy. And in addition to that, the second shampoo, it can be regular shampoo, but the acidic pH shampoo is needed, and that's why we put acidic pH shampoo into our product category. And after all the process and ingredients or the materials of dyeing color, for example, is it safe and has no stimulants? And has the special patent, and it protects our skin, and keratin, silk, collagen, and this is good for the protection, and also different types of extraction is good for our hair as well, and rosemary and other types of ingredients and special oil. We use the vegetable oil for maintaining your hair and closing your cuticle layer as well. And also there are 5 types of herb extraction and vegetable oil. The price is under $10. And point value is 3,400 point value. This is the salon and color. I'm very excited for this one as well. So I have introduced 3 products, and there are 2 more products that are coming up. And I will briefly talk about that. And first, Atomy Silica Gel Absorber. And this is what a lot of people were asking Atomy headquarters about this. And it's very easy to use moisture absorber, and also for humidity and for the smell, because a lot of people are staying home, and as you know, in summer it's very humid, and we're selling less than $7. You can see the point value. And second product, Atomy Hair Wax. And applying your hair wax is very easy to use it, and in the morning, and all you have to do is apply one time,
세정력도 좋아서 한 번 샴푸만으로 깨끗하게 씻어낼
and
수
after
있는 그런 편리한 제품이니까
after taking a shower
여러분들 많이
and
사랑해
using a
주시고요.
shampoo,
시중에서
all you have
만나실
to do,
수 없었던
use it
제형입니다.
one time.
하드
And this
왁스,
form
그리고
is
소프트 왁스
hard
단점만
and
담아서
soft,
만든 이 애터미
and
올무 헤어
we put
왁스
the
가격은
combination of both.
9,800원으로
We're selling more
여러분들이
less than
구매
$10,
수
and you can check out
있겠습니다.
the point
자,
value.
이렇게 해서 제가 준비한
And that
신제품
was it
소개는
for
여기에서
our
모두 마치도록 하겠고요.
presentation.
다음은
Thank you again for listening. And
콜마
next,
B&H
Colma
마케팅
B&H
팀장님께서
marketing
제품들
team manager
계속해서 소개를
will talk about
진행해
other
주시도록
products as well.
하겠습니다. 자, 지금까지 경청해
Thank you
주셔서
again.
너무나 감사드리고요.
And I'll see you
지금까지 애터미 전문
next
큐레이터
time. My name was
이상미였습니다.
이상미.
감사합니다.
Thank you. Hello.
콜마 B&H
Colma B&H marketing team 이지영.
만나뵙게 되어 반갑습니다.
Nice to meet you. Thank you.
오늘 이 자리에서
And I'm very thankful to be here, very excited to be here. And I will introduce 3 products under healthy functional food category. And a lot of people have interest in sleeping market. And as you know, people who work very hard, for example, 20s and 30s, and other ages as well, they get a lot of the stress from sleeping. And we have
the
Atomy Good Sleep Lactium. And as you know, Korea's average sleeping time is very short. And in New Zealand, on average, people sleep more than 8 hours. And in Korea, it doesn't really happen. And as you can see on the screen, a lot of people in Korea sleep less than 6 hours. And the problem is the teenagers in Korea, they study too much and they sleep less than 4 or even 3 hours. And we want to come up with a product that is caring for our consumers. You can see the ages, you can see the changes in the graph. And also, and as you get older, it gets more difficult for you to get good sleep and long hours of sleep. And a lot of people go to hospital for this type of problem, and we expect more people will visit hospital as well. And also, the lactium, and as you can see, that the picture of Atomy Good Sleep Lactium, and there are 4 functions, and I will briefly talk about all the 4 categories as well. And this is how we developed, and we developed based on how the baby drank a cup of milk and sleeping very well, and we developed that based on those situations. And you can see the raw material is milk, and you can see the content, and formation is powder, and raw material is from France. And we had to get out the patent, and lactium is derived from milk, and the FDA, the NDA, and also you can see the NDI number 242, and Ingredia is one of the best raw material companies in France, and we have the US patent and patent in Europe as well. And I want to talk about the effectiveness. Before that, I want to talk about clinical testing. And we conducted a clinical testing for 4 weeks, and we calculated all the time in sleeping. And after 4 weeks, we see the sleeping time to go to sleep. So you can see it reduces that. And also, you can see the other effectiveness from sleeping as well. So when they take this, it's shorter to take sleep and go to sleep and fall into sleep. And also, you get up very early. And there are 4 categories of this checkpoint. The tannin, and for sleeping is magnesium and vitamin B6. And also the hormone for sleeping, L-tryptol, and rosemary extraction, and cherry extraction as well, or vegetable extraction. And I have been discussing with product planning team. They always care about the absolute quality and also price as well. And I have been working on this field for a long time. in.
여기 계시는 여러분들도 한
And I want to
분야에서
talk about
수많은 노력으로
that
최고가
Atomy
되셨고
headquarter
저
and
또한
also
제 분야에서
other
나는
branches
전문가라고
that
알려진
care about
사람인데요.
Atomy
제품을 애터미와 함께
absolute
진행을 하면서
quality.
애터미 제품은 정말
And
절대
I
품질의
believe in
최고의
Atomy,
제품이 될 수밖에
and
없구나.
that's what
그래서 회원분들은
makes
그냥
Atomy
믿고
great
드시기만
and
하면 되겠구나
absolute.
하는
And
생각이
for a member's perspective,
들었습니다.
all you have to do is to
다음은 두
believe
번째 제품으로
and
넘어가
take the
보도록
product.
하겠습니다.
And second
여성분들에게
product.
꼭 필요한
And for
여성용 유산균입니다.
Atomy
그리고
W
섭취하셨을 때 반응이
Inner
굉장히
Balance.
좋은 제품입니다.
And this is for women.
제품명은 애터미 W 이너
And you can see
밸런스인데요. 여성들이
the
걸리는 감기로
product name.
알려진 지렴은 여성의
And
73%가
also
증상을 경험해 본 적이 있는 것으로 나타나고 2018년 건강보험
Also for the inner balance is very important for women, and 1.5 million people went to the hospital for the inner balance problems. And you can see all the bacteria about the inner balance category.
바로 만성 지렴이
And
발생을 합니다.
If you do not get rid of the bacteria about the inner balance category, then you might have to go to hospital or might have to get the medicine. And that's why we came up with this W
작은 사이즈
inner
하나로
balance.
구성이 되어 있고요.
And
목 넘김이 쉬운
It's very easy to take it. It's vegetable
잘
capsule.
아실
And
텐데
as most of you know,
146년
that
전통의 세계 3대
Christian
프로바이오틱스
Hansen
전문
and
개발 기업입니다.
probiotics
애터미 W 이너 밸런스
expert
균주인 유렉스는
company,
20년 이상의
and
연구를
they
통해
always
세적의 균주로
have
배합한
the academic
원료입니다.
papers and
유렉스
great products
프로바이오틱스는
based on
건강한
those
여성의 질과
inner
건강한
balance
여성의
category.
요도에서 분류한
And
균주인데요.
you can
즉
see
건강한 여성의
the
질에서 락토바실러스 루테리균과
Lactobacillus
그리고 건강한 여성의 요도에서
luterii
서식하는
and also
락토바실러스
Lactobacillus
람노소스를
rhamnosus.
발견해서 두 균주를
And if you
적절히 배합을 하는 균주라고
combine
보시면
those
되겠습니다.
two,
락토바실러스
and
루테리균과
Lactobacillus luteris and Lactobacillus
유렉스는
other type
위산과
is
담즙산에 강하여
for
안전하게
hygiene,
질 내부에
and
정착하여
you
유익균을
can
증식시키는
stay inside of
역할을
the.
합니다. 여성을 대상으로 실행한 12건의
And we conducted clinical testing for 12 women, and we checked all the
염증 개선, 분변 및 생식기에서의
great for the inflammation, and also it's very healthy for the all aspects under inner balance
생식기 감염
category.
정도를 나타내는 유젠트
You can see
스코어에서는
the
2개월 후에
Nugent
유렉스
score.
서치군이 위약군 대비 감염에
And
대해 유의적으로
you can see the Nugent
개선되었고
score of
8명 중
normal,
7명이
intermediate, and
생식기 감염 지수가 낮아진
V.
것으로 나타났습니다.
And it
유렉스
reduces a lot of the
프로바이오틱스는
aspects
지렴 중
under
칸디다
this
지렴과
graph.
세균성 지렴에
After
대해서 질
the
건강을
clinical
유지하는
testing,
기능을 갖고
participants
있습니다.
used.
두 균주
And next,
이외에 지렴에 도움을 줄 수 있는
we cannot
비타민
forget
A,
about the
그리고 비타민 D,
sub-materials,
그리고 칸디다
the
균 효과가
vitamins
있는 것으로 알려진
and
아연 등
minerals.
3종을
can see.
부원료로 배합하였습니다. 또한 요로 건강에 도움이 되는
And also
크랜베리 부원료로
cranberry
배합을
extraction.
W 이너
And
밸런스의
the
최고의
W
요건은
inner balance
프로바이오틱스 전용
is
용기인데요.
probiotics
CSP 용기로
for
일명 데시칸트 바틀이라고
Descant
합니다.
bottle,
그러니까 용기 안쪽
and
내부에
CSP
데시칸트가
bottle
둘러싸여
and
있어서
Descant bottle.
외부에
So
수분
bottle
유입을
is surrounded
차단하면서
by
균주들의
desiccants,
안정성을 높였다고
and
보시면
it
되겠습니다.
prevents and
섭취는
protects
전
from
연령대
bacteria
여성들이
as well.
안전하게
And this
섭취할
is
수
all
있고요.
for the
여성의
woman.
가장 중요한 곳이죠.
And
한두 번이 아닌
this is very
일상생활에서
important
케어하여
for
건강하고
all the
아름답게
women,
관리할 수 있도록
and is very healthy
챙겨주시면 좋을
and
것
is
같습니다.
easy
자,
to use it.
다음은 애터미
And
네일더
next,
가득한
Atomy.
비오틴입니다. 일상생활에서
Atomy Biotin.
일상생활에서 그동안 덜
we
중요하다고
called
여겼을지
Atomy
모르는 원료인데요.
Booming
한국인들에게
Biotin.
가장 부족하고
And
특히 없어서는 안
this is
되는
what we
영양소가
need.
바로
And this is what
비오틴입니다. 자, 소개해드리도록
Our
하겠습니다.
health is for, and biotin
비오틴은
is
비타민 7
for
또는
the vitamin 7,
H7에서
or even you can
독일어로는
call it vitamin
머리카락과 피부를
H.
뜻합니다.
And in German,
근데
it
특히나
means
중요한 부분은
hair.
대한민국 국민 10명 중 9명이
And out of
비오틴
10 people
섭취와
and 7,
부족하다라고 합니다. 또한
there are
소량으로
lack
많은
of
양이
taking
섭취되는
biota.
양이 식품으로 섭취되는
And also,
양보다 많습니다.
and 10.5%
특히나 연령이
have
많을수록
take
섭취가
enough
증가해야
biota.
하는데
But at the same
현실은
time,
줄어들고
more
있는
than
상황입니다.
89% of people in Korea are lack of biotin.
애터미 비오틴과
And this is Atomy's biotin
5,000 마이크로그램의
and
비오틴은
5,000
현재 시장에서 의약품으로도 판매가 되고
microgram.
있습니다.
And this is selling
모바일
in
및
pharmacy
손톱
as
성장
well.
개선에 도움을
And this
준
is
것으로
the-
표시가 되어 있습니다.
And this is great for
애터미
your
네일더 가득한 비오틴은
immune system
글로벌
as well.
원료사인
And
DSM사의 프랑스산
DSM
프리미엄 원료로
is from
체내
France,
흡수율이
and
높은 유리
also it
비오틴입니다.
absorbs
5,000
our body.
마이크로그램의
We call the
고함량, 이중
biotin,
역할이고요.
and it has the
비오틴은
5,000
지방,
microgram
탄수화물,
and
단백질
the
대사와
fat
에너지
and carbon
생성에 필요한
and protein,
필수
and
성분일
it
뿐만
creates
아니라
energy.
피부와 손발톱,
And also for your
모발의
skin layer,
핵심 성분인
hair,
케라틴 단백질을
and
만드는
keratin
조효소
protein.
역할을 합니다. 식품
And it
내의
creates more than
비오틴은
5
유기농과
different
결합형 두 가지고요.
domains.
주로
And there are
결합형으로
2
존재하지만
different
식품만으로
biotins, as you can see on the
섭취율이
picture,
높지
and
않습니다.
absorption rate is not very
반면에
high.
애터미 네일더 가득한 비오틴은
On the other
미세계
hand,
비오틴으로
Atomy
흡수율을
has made
높였습니다.
the high absorption
비오틴은 수용성
rate of
비타민으로서
biotin,
필요한 함량만 체내에
and when you take it,
흡수되고
it's easy
나머지는
to
소변으로
absorb it.
배출됩니다. 또한 열이나 상성도 변화에
you
파괴되기
can see
쉬워서
on the
충분한
left
양을
category, you
섭취해야
see vitamin
합니다.
B and C.
인체 적용 시험으로는
And
에너지 생성과 지방산 대사에 관여하는
You can see the
효성이
graph
활성이
and
증가됨을
from clinical testing
확인하였음이라는
as well.
결론이 있습니다. 비오틴 역시
And
글로벌
Biotine
원료사인
Also
DSM사의
is from
프랑스산 원료에
DSM. This is a company in France, as I have mentioned before, and
프리미엄
we
비오틴을
call the Coley
사용했습니다.
Biotine.
역시나
This is the
애토미
premium
같게
line.
까다롭게
And as you know,
원료를
Atomy is
선별했습니다.
all about absolute
제형은
quality
좀 색다른데요.
and price.
신규 제형이고
And form
블랙 앤
is
화이트
different. And
이중적입니다.
as you know,
그래서 정제가
black
두
and
개가
white,
이렇게
the
붙어 있는
double
제형이라고
purification
보시면
type.
검정
You can see
머리에
the
위에
size
부분이
as
검정색,
well.
아랫부분이
And on top
흰색인데
is black,
윗부분인 검정
and at the
머리에
bottom is
깨끗한
white.
피부를 표현을 했다라고 보시면
And
될
we
것
try to
같습니다.
express the
모발 건강에
clean
좋은 부원료
and glowing
차종을
skin. We
배합하였습니다. 그 어떤 다른
are using
브랜드보다
the four
까다롭게
different
원료를 선별하고
raw materials
부원료를
in
배합해서 절대
sub-materials
제품이
and
되었다고
ingredients
생각합니다.
as well.
저희 제조사 직원들도 건기식을 구매합니다. 저도
we buy
앱을 통해서
Atomy
구매하고 있고요.
products through Atomy
부족한
application.
비오틴은 저도
And
애토미 비오틴이
of course,
출시되는
we
대로
do need
구매해야겠네요.
Biotine, and I'm
비오틴
very excited
섭취로
for that.
하루하루 에너지
And
넘치고 풍성한 날
with the
되시길
Biotine,
바라겠습니다.
be healthy.
감사합니다.
And thank you again. See you next time.